Hey kindergartners, Miss Klein here with Sonday Lesson 148. Today for Sonday, we are going to start with reading words and phrases. Remember, a phrase is when they put two or more words together. So we've learned a few short little words that we can put together to make a kind of a little phrase. So let's get started with reading words. Here we go. Had, had. Lad, lad. Bag, bag. Leg, leg. Now let's speed it up a little bit. Pan, ham. Map, wrap. Fat, jam. Am, sat. Cap, cat. Hat, tan. Ram, cab. An, act. Now we learned this sight word, I think last week, which we've known this one for a long time though, so it's no big deal. But if we put it in front of this word, it makes a little phrase. A hat. Remember, we say a because that's how we say the word with the letter A. Instead of saying a hat, you can say it that way, but most of the time we should say a hat. A fan. A bag. A map. A pan. A van. Oh, now they give us three words. A tan cat. When you say that, can you picture that in your brain, what a tan cat looks like? That's because it's a phrase. It gave us a little description. A rag. Oh, now it's time for us to grab our piece of paper and our pencil, and we are going to practice writing some of these words that we've been working on. Let me scooch my computer back. And all of these words, if you've noticed, have the letter A in the middle. And the A we're talking about has the short A sound. And that means it's saying ah. Instead of saying its name, A, which would be the long A sound. Which I got a little confused because our first word is rag, which kind of sounds like it has the long A sound, but it says it's a short A. Rag. Maybe Miss Klein has a bad Minnesota accent, so that's why it comes out sounding like that. Rag. R-A-G. Let's do bat. B-A-T. Bat. I almost swiped my face with permanent marker. That would have been terrible. How about gab? Like gab means kind of to talk. G-A-B. Good. Had. H-A-D. Don't forget, don't get your B's and your D's mixed up. Add. Now let's do sad. S-A-D. There, remember this A sound in the middle is all the short A's. Ah. Let's do wrap. R-A-P. Wrap. And tag. T-A-G. Tag. And last but not least, ran. R-A-N. Ran. Can you see them? Can never tell which way my camera goes. There we go. So the cool thing about this is I've been noticing in your mastery checks, and Mrs. Volp's been noticing in your mastery checks that her kids send her, our kids are doing awesome with spelling. And do you know why? Oh, dinner's ready. Hold on one second. You know why? It's because we've been practicing reading and writing with Sonday. So all of this work that we're doing is really paying off because I am able to tell in your writing, and Mrs. Volp is able to tell in your writing just how awesome you guys are with your sounds and kid spelling. All right, let's take a look at your Sonday worksheet for the day. Oh my, this looks confusing. At the top, we are used to this one. It says fill in the blanks with the lowercase letters. So start at the letter F and fill in the blanks. So what comes after F? E, F, G, H, I, J, and go all the way to Z. Then it says choose letters to make words down and across. Then write the words. So if you see here, they already have m, a, n, and that spells the word man. So now you get to pick a letter to put in this box and see what it spells. It'll spell s, a, what are you going to put in there? If I put a P in there, it would spell s, a, p, sap. So then I would write the word sap right here. Then you're going to move on to the next box. They already have b, at, which spells bat. So they wrote it down here. If I have a, what could I put in there? At, rat? Ew, yikes. But I could write the word rat right here. So you're going to fill in those boxes and make your very own words. And like I said just a minute ago, you guys are super awesome spellers and writers and readers. So this should be easy peasy for you. I can't wait to see what you come up with. I hope you have fun spelling these fun words. It's kind of like a crossword puzzle, which is something grown-ups do. But we are big, strong kindergartners, and we're almost first graders now. So this is no problemo for us. Have fun. See you next time.